Hello everyone, today I'm here with Marie and we're going to talk about the Transurfing model by Vladim Zeland. I highly recommend that book for you to read it. And in the second chapter, he talks about the pendulums. So Marie, would you please share with us what is the pendulum?
Yes, obviously, Eliana, the pendulum is a very important chapter because it's mentioned so many times in the book. And so for people who don't know anything about transurfing, a pendulum is actually an energy base that is actually, it's like a group thinking the same way. It creates an energy. It's almost like an egregore, all right? And so that energy is fed by its adherence. Mm-hmm. For a pendulum to work in its adherence. And a pendulum would take you energy. It would take you energy, whether it's positive or negative. So you could be in a pendulum that is like a sport pendulum and is very positive, but you could be involved in a group or sometimes a sect that is really negative and is taking your energy. So whether you want it or not, it's going to take your energy on a positive or on a negative way. Mm-hmm. And the only way to defeat a pendulum, if you're aware that it's taking your energy and that is toxic, some of you may experience, for instance, a very toxic relationship, and you know it's taking your energy, is basically, according to the principle in transurfing, is to remove yourself from it. And the only way to remove yourself is not to run away from it, because as you know, in law of attraction, what you run away from, you will attract even more. And it's not to face it because you don't want to fight it either. The position is really to be in a, it's like going into your third eye. You have to remove yourself and remove the importance of it.
I see. So could you share with us one of life experience regarding pendulums?
Yes, I am not free from pendulum, unfortunately, like I wish I would be. Probably that's why I'm teaching reality transurfing still, because we, as we develop the awareness of it, then we become more conscious of it, and then we can defeat the pendulum itself. So let me give you an answer to your question, Iliana. I recently moved into a house that is part of a condo strata. And I've had a few people in the condo strata that have decided to make their own laws, and obviously stepping onto my boundaries, my personal boundaries, the personal boundaries of my property. And so obviously that was the start of a pendulum right there, when people start to invade your territory. And so my position was that, okay, well, do I respond to this? How do I respond to this? And so I'm going to make a very long story short because I want to spare the details of it, but just to illustrate my example of what I was mentioning, how to remove yourself from the influence of a pendulum is that I decided, even if it's costing me, but I decided to hire a lawyer. And I have asked my lawyer to only give me information about what is going on once a month, and only if it's important. Right. It would be the same as, I know some of my clients, for instance, are getting divorced. Yeah. And so this is a huge pendulum, as you know, the divorce. And when you get into that, you could decide that you're going to get involved in all the details and you're going to be miserable about it. And it's going to suck all the power and your energy. Or you could decide to hire a lawyer and give specific instruction to the lawyer. Right. So you're not bothered more than you should be. And so you could basically, what we say is that you need to rent yourself out. So renting yourself out, removing importance is I'm not saying that you should deny it, but you should put it in a small box somewhere in your life, and you only open the box when it's necessary.
I understand. Thank you. Thank you for sharing a life experience, because everybody needs to understand that we all have the same experiences. and it's just a matter of how to deal with that. And based with these principles, it's amazing. We want to share with you that we are having an upcoming event. It's a mastermind on reality creation. So please click the link below if you would like to hear more about it. We are offering free discovery sessions to get to know each other. And so just set up your appointment, and we look forward to seeing you soon and to have you participate in our mastermind. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.